Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, certainly quieter here in the Weather Center compared to what we had late this afternoon and early this evening. Want to take one more look back at around 2 o'clock on our radar rewind, and you can see the line of strong storms, red, yellow, and orange indicating where the severe weather is located. And draw your attention, especially Kent and Providence County, out towards Cumberland, Smithfield, and North Smithfield, put this into motion. And this huge complex of severe thunder, this is during the 3 o'clock hour, passing through the northern part of the state, Kent County, Providence metro area, into Bristol and Plymouth counties and southeastern Massachusetts. At the time of this particular image, hail along with strong damaging wind, just a tremendous amount of lightning, torrential downpours. I mean, the whole 9 yards, classic severe weather, severe thunderstorm outbreak, and then all of this racing out to sea to our east and then pulling away. Now, how is it that you can get chunks of ice coming out of the sky with the temperature today at 95 degrees? Of course, you need the air to be cold. Well, these thunderstorms are just incredibly tall. The higher they extend up into the atmosphere, the more severe they are. Now, we were taking cross sections with our radar of these storms, and the very top of the storms were towering at 55,000 feet up into the atmosphere. Now, to think about that, a commercial jet flies maybe, what, 35,000 feet. So this was even higher than a commercial jet. So naturally, at the very top of these clouds, that high up in the atmosphere, it's incredibly cold. Even on a hot summer day, the temperatures on the top of the cloud are well below freezing. So quite simply, these red lines are called updrafts, and raindrops from the bottom of the cloud are carried to the top, and they freeze, and the net result are hail, is hail. And you can sometimes get large hail. We had the size of golf balls in some areas and ping pong balls. This is Cumberland. Beverly sending us this picture right here. You can see that large hailstone in the palm of her hand. This picture is pretty incredible. This is from North Smithfield, and just a scoop of heavy, large hail that occurred around 3:30, 3:45 this afternoon, and some of those stronger thunderstorms. Here's the present radar, live radar. Not much going on. Wouldn't rule out a passing shower or even an isolated thunderstorm, though it's more the exception right now rather than the rule. I'm not concerned about severe weather. And keep in mind, thunderstorms love to feed on hot air. Was it hot today? You bet. Look at this. Look at the high temps today in the mid and upper 90s, including not quite 100, but 98 in Taunton. So a lot of heat prior to these storms that the thunderstorms were feeding on. Downtown Providence, very warm and humid on a north breeze. Humidity at 94%. Temperature now at 73 degrees. Still some patchy clouds overhead right now. Most areas are in the lower 70s. Some of that humidity may lead to a little bit of fog during the overnight. But tracking this blue line, which is a cool front, this is the reason for some of the storms. It acted like a spark, setting these thunderstorms into motion. And as long as the front is nearby, we can't rule out an isolated shower or thunderstorm this evening. This front represents the leading edge of drier, less humid air that will gradually filter down tomorrow. So tomorrow is not nearly as hot or as steamy, though it will be a warm day. Futurecast shows the showers offshore winding down. Partly cloudy skies overnight. Any early morning clouds giving way to some sun tomorrow morning, or at least partly sunny skies. Here we are, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Partly sunny, warm, dry, not nearly as humid. 4 o'clock we're doing fine, and even into tomorrow evening, not bad. For the morning commute, early clouds and fog thinning out to some sunshine, 74 early in the morning, 83 by late morning, and then during the afternoon, basically a cloud-sun mixture. A warm day, but it's not 98 degrees, and the humidity is lower as well. So overall, not too bad. Beaches have clouds and fog in the morning, especially early, then some developing sunshine. Air temperature 82, water temp at 73. Bay forecast with a northeast breeze at 5 to 15 and small waves. 7-day outlook, the clouds may try to make a comeback on Friday, but Friday is a dry and comfortable day in the upper 70s. Weekend still looks good. Sunshine, dry, warm but not hot, low humidity and comfortable. 82 Saturday and 84 degrees on Sunday. So quieter weather ahead and not nearly as hot or as steamy or as loud or as windy. So
or as busy.
Yeah.
Coming up next on Eyewitness News at 11.